very dramatic lighting in here today. So I think it is finally time to get started on the bookcase in my studio. I have spent the last, I don't know how many vlogs shitting on it figuratively because it's blue and So I think that I am going to finally get started on it because I do have all the materials I need, so why not, and we'll see if I can move it by myself. But let's start by emptying it and see where I can go from there. So, it is very good that I decided against my first plan, which was to sand it all down to wood finish, because even though I thought this was whole wood, as you can see in the back here, there is definitely plywood here on top, so sanding it down wouldn't have been very successful. So it's a good thing that I already had a second plan in mind, which is painting it. Now I've got the first layer on, as you can see, not very pretty. I'm not going to paint the inside because I have something else planned for that. I think I'm going to do a second layer of this gray paint before going in with the final color. But so while this first layer is drying, I think I'm going to get started on the inside. So for the inside of the cabinet, I actually went to one of my favorite websites, which is called Biodiversity Heritage Library, and it is full of vintage biodiversity literature, and it is completely free to use. So I am just going to print out a bunch of pages from different old books with beautiful illustrations. Getting pretty cold outside, so I just put a fire in the central heating system going, and now it is time to continue with the second layer of paint for my little bookcase. Okay, so I have now painted this twice with this gray color. It's gonna be black, and then also I have printed out all kinds of biology and entomology, yeah, things like that. And this is going to be the inside instead of a wallpaper or some sort of decor paper, because I couldn't find anything I like. So instead I am just going to glue these all over the inside, and I'm really hoping that it's gonna look cool. But I think for today I am done. I'm going to continue tomorrow with this, and I think I'm going to do the final coat of paint first and then do the inside last. Morning, the next day, and I am planning on continuing to work on the bookcase or cabinet. But first I wanted to show you what I was working on last night. I'm knitting a sweater for Frodo, who is not very interested in modeling it right now, but this is how far I've come, and then I'm going to make a piece that goes under his stomach and up and connects on his back. And there is even a little hole if you want to put the harness underneath, and hopefully this will keep him warm since he's getting a little bit older. He just turned 8 last month, so it's good to have a little bit of extra warmth outside when it's cold. Well, I've been going at it for almost 4 hours now, I think, so there's still a little bit of blue left. But I think what I'm going to do now is try to clean up some of the mess I have around here and lift this up so that it's out of the way, so I can get my workspace back for I have to pack a painting that I sold that I am delivering tomorrow and stuff like that. So I think I am going to, do that and then be done for the night. It's getting late.